It's too late for you to start your business, but yet they're still running their business. I'm still running a business, right? Does that math? So we got two people that's still actively running their businesses, but we're telling you, not we, they're telling you, hey, it's too late for you. It's saturated. Teach yourself. Figure it out. That's stupid. Who tells somebody that? Go figure it out. Now, you may have a few people, you even have parents that say that. I've heard parents say that because it takes time to teach people. See, that's where I excel. I'm blessed. I'm so grateful. Okay. It's not natural. Well, it is natural because I love explaining. I love talking, but it's easier to tell someone, go figure it out, right? Versus to actually teach them how to do it. And you have parents like that. There are some parents that instead of sitting talking with their child and reasoning with them and all that extra conversation, go figure it out. And life is hard. And then the kids make mistakes and they don't have nobody to help them. You know, I didn't grow up like that. My parents talked a lot. They talked a lot, which I'm grateful for, but they did. I talk too, so it's natural. And they didn't hinder us from talking. They did not. We were raised where we can have an opinion. So I guess that's why I'm kind of opinionated. I try to put a lot of sugar on it. So sometimes too much and people take advantage of that. They think I'm slow or just too sweet or, you know, oh, Kimmy's so nice. I am nice, but I have I know when to not be. Okay. So, and people take your kindness for weakness, unfortunately. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Let's get y'all comments. So let's see. Let's go back a little bit. Gift cards are nice. So to answer your question, you need to know how to play the game. I've been using this example for the last year almost. Everybody was mad at Trump because he paid $750 in taxes. I always say, don't hate the player, hate the game. You got to know the game. You got to know the game. And whatever you do out there, it's never going to be crystal clear. The tax law is so many pages. How big is it? For those that are watching. Okay. Tax law is huge. They don't want you to know. You got to hire. I had that last year, I had to hire 3 tax professionals. 3. Because each one had to tell me something different. 3. My point in saying that is knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. So how do you want to get the knowledge? How do you want to get it? You want to get it easy or you want to go look for it? It's up to you. You know, I didn't mind researching because I had time. If you got time to look up everything and try to figure it out, do that. If you want the express, no frills, no fluff, notaryeducatorsllc.com. notaryeducatorsllc.com. That's all I can say. Sandy says gift cards are nice. I think so too. Michael says as a new notary, can you start off as a Ron? I don't recommend it, Michael. I don't, because you need to know how to be a great notary before you can be a remote online notary. That's what a lot of people think. Well, I'll get my commission and I'll just sit at home and take calls. Nope. You need to get out there. You need to do the work. Boot camp is what I call it. Get out there and go to nursing homes. Get out there and go to hospitals. Get out there and go to the public and learn how to do that part. And then you can sit at your home in your pajamas doing your notarization. But you got to know the business. There's no workaround. Even in mentorship, we're going to go there right quick. Even in mentorship, sometimes people sign up, and this is why I didn't have a mentorship program for a very long time. I'm gonna be very, very, very candid right now. When people say mentorship, when I first started this business, and even now, they get it twisted. That's why I'm very clear what you're signing up for. The description is very clear, okay? Mentorship does not mean, oh, I'm gonna call you and ask Kimmi what type of ID can I accept. That's what mentorship meant when I first started this business, and it still is like that now. But I've always been crystal clear. That's why I didn't offer mentorship. I've been doing this thing for 4 years as a business here on YouTube. I did not offer mentorship. People say, I'll pay you this. I don't want your money. People say, I got a question for you. I'll shoot you a Cash App. You ain't gonna shoot me a Cash App. I don't want your Cash App. I want you to have knowledge. So I have never taken a Cash App from anybody, okay? Ever. To answer a question. I will answer your question, but then your next thing is you're gonna be taking my Notarize Like a Pro class, my online self-paced, whatever you want to do, but you need to know this business. Okay? You cannot just get out there and fake it till you make it. You cannot. You cannot. So in order to be a good RON notary, remote online notary, for those who are new, you must be a great regular notary. And for me, that means getting out there in the woods, in the trees, you know, on the ground. Sometimes I've been out there notarizing on the ground because I don't have no table, or the conditions might be wet, whatever. You got to get out there and do that, and then you can come back over here and be a great remote online notary. There's no workaround. That's where I was going with that too, a mentorship. So people will come join the mentorship program. We've had people say, well, I got an apostille coming up tomorrow. Let me join Kimmi's mentor program. I can't teach you how to do an apostille, nor can Angela in the chat. We're not even going to call you and try to teach you how to do an apostille in a 5-minute phone call. It's not possible. You need to know ahead of time. That's why stay ready so you don't have to get ready. We got people right now in the mentorship sometimes. They have not taken training. I know if you studied the training programs, I'll give you over 13, 14 courses that you need to study. No, you have to, right? And if you want to be successful, I already know if you have did it. I already know. Did you study such and such? Nope. Go back and watch that. I cannot train you how to be a notary in one phone call. I just cannot. Nobody can. I cannot. I won't even act like it. I ain't getting my blood pressure raised up. Okay? I ain't getting no more grades up in there. You got to do the work. Now, once you do the work, we can have a conversation. We have a point of reference. So that's why I did not do mentorship forever. And then I came up with the program. I said, you know what? For those who don't know how the mentorship came about, finally, because people were like, oh my God, you finally have a mentorship program. They were so excited, right? And they still are. It's going amazing. It really is. I'm excited about it too. But anyway, so when people would ask me to do the mentorship, I'm like, no. Because I already knew what that meant. I'm trying to run my own notary business too. So I don't have time to run your business and my business. I can assist you, but I don't have time to actually tell you what kind of ID you can take. I don't have time to tell you if you can notarize for a minor. I don't have time to tell you if you can do a certified copy. No, that stuff you need to know basics as a notary, right? Okay. So I've offered my courses, all of my trainings for just like, I think it was $39.99. Just my trainings. So I told my husband, I said, you know what? I need a live piece to this. I really want to be able to talk to the people and help them. I could commit to 1 day a week. Okay. And a chat line. That's what I ended up coming up with. So first it was just the courses only. Then I added the live 1 day a week and a chat line feature. Okay. Then Angela and Alexis, I talked to them and brought them on board. So now all of their courses, the apostille training, the wedding officiant, loan signing training, and Google My Business also were added. And I actually added a remote online notary introduction course too. So you got everything you need, literally A to Z, $47 a month, access to me, Angela, and Alexis, plus Jeffrey. He does our tech support. Okay, so if you can't and you're not willing to invest that into yourself, I don't know how else to help you. I really don't. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, now for those who don't want mentorship, and that's cool, everybody don't want all that, you can go back and start buying the courses individually. They're 60% off. Coupon code is WIN2025. Okay, so you have options. We always want to make sure you have options. All right, but my whole point in that little spiel right there was, even with mentorship, I have the expectation, and it's already set,